Hi, this is Divyesh Mistry. The point I am going to share today will completely change your perspective on how to overcome hurdles in life. So, without any further ado, let's begin. The root of this video lies in one of my real life incidents when things were not going as per my plans. So, it so happened that a few years back, things were not going as per my plans, and I was not so happy with that. And on a particular day, I happened to speak to one of my very close relatives, and he casually asked me how is life, and it was like opening a can of worms. And I started complaining about how things were not moving as I wanted them to move. He listened to me very patiently, and towards the end, he asked me one simple question, and it was, ये जो कुछ भी तुम करना चाहते हो, ये करने की तुम्हारी इच्छा है या इरादा है? And my conversation ended here. What it means is, whatever you want to do in life, is it just your wish or your resolve? I realized it later on, and since that day, this statement has stayed with me. And trust me, every time I ask this question to myself, 100% it works miraculously. Because if it's just your wish to do anything, you will see stones on your path. But if it's your resolve, then you will see your path under those stones. Listen to that again. Whatever you want to do in life, if it's just your wish, then you will see stones on your path. But if it's your resolve, then you will see your path under those stones. To give you an example, imagine you are in a car going on a road, and all of a sudden you hit a massive traffic jam. Now, whether you will move ahead or not depends on the urgency of your goal. If you are just a casual driver, you may either change your route, or worst, you'll drop the plan itself. But second scenario, imagine there is someone very close to you who is in a life and death situation on the other end of this traffic. Now what will you do? It is all about the urgency you create for yourself, whether it is your wish or your resolve. To give you another example of how this wishful thinking and resolute action works. So, wishful thinking sounds like this. I want to buy a Bugatti. This is my wishful thinking. Now, I want to buy a Bugatti, and I am taking very serious action full of determination and grit on a daily basis and moving in that direction every single day. This is a resolute action. Do you remember the statement, whatever it takes, from the movie Avengers The Endgame? It was very thoughtfully used in this movie. Whatever it takes. On a daily basis, we hit so many hurdles in our lives. Whenever you try to do anything great, your mind, or rather to say, those demons in your mind try to pull you back. Demons of self-doubt, demons of self-sabotaging talk, demons of questions. No, you're not presentable. You're not worth it. You don't deserve to be that great. It's okay to be mediocre. Everyone is not meant for greatness. This is what happens whenever you try to do something great. Remember one thing. If you want to do anything great in life, you need to move your focus from fear to faith and believe in yourself. Only then will you be able to make any difference. Remember, it takes a lot of courage to do whatever it takes. You want to do anything great? Oh, what if people laugh at me? What if I don't get desired results? What if? These what ifs will continue till eternity in your life. Do you have the courage to do whatever it takes and break this pattern of mediocrity? Today, before I leave, I throw an open challenge on your face. Do you have the courage to do whatever it takes? Thanks a lot for watching this video. God bless.